So, hi everybody, welcome back to my humble abode this time. Yeah, delivery arrived from Amazon. I ordered it last week. I've had my eye on this, you know the way you have things in your basket and then just other things come in like bill, other stuff like that, yeah. Because I wasn't out camping as much, kind of just put the money that I would spend on an adventure, which I'd much rather do. I wouldn't make, that's a scar for later, which I would normally do. I'd rather spend money on adventures instead of having 10 tents that you don't use or 20 stoves that you don't use. Yeah, so this is what I got. It's a titanium canteen cooking set from Boundless Voyage. Now I have a couple of pieces of Boundless Voyage equipment already, and I have to say I've always liked it. Me 2.9 litre, 3 litre, 2.9 litre pot of Boundless Voyage. Oh yeah, how light this is. Let me put you over there for a second. Yeah, so, oh wow, I'm already loving this. I was expecting the bag to be bigger. Not that I'm not glad, I'm glad it is this size. Yeah, but I was just expecting it to be about this size, you know. So, yeah, so also my titanium grill that I've had for, must be nearly 4 years with Boundless Voyage. So it's good titanium. This only took about 5 or 6 days to get delivered. Yeah, so let's have a look. Okay, so that's everything there. What's in here? Get your lid. Yeah, decent, good quality. Okay, some strings for attaching it, for hanging it from it like a tripod or a stick. Okay, the main compartment. We'll open this first. Oh yeah. So this is a 700ml pot. Kidney shaped, I suppose. The handles feel great on it. They really do. Yeah. It's so tough, titanium is. You know, you think that might bend easy for how light it is, but it doesn't. It's just stronger than most metals, I think. I know we can make alloys and make stuff much tougher, but available to us on the market, yeah. Something made in an underground lab, yeah. And then that would do for put a couple of sausages in there for breakfast, a couple of eggs. Yeah, I can see that being very, very handy. Yeah, so and then the main event. I had one of these plastic ones years ago. Do you remember with the big bulky top on it? Plastic version of it. Oh yeah, but you look at that. Isn't that a thing of beauty? Isn't it? A thing of beauty. Oh yeah. I was going to open it and then cook with it first. But what I want, Ooh, ouch. That'll take getting used to. Hang on a second. It has a plastic seal up there. Yeah, so no it'll come out. Yeah, a bit nasty. That noise, but you're over that. Oh yeah, it feels brilliant. It feels really strong, well made, well put together. Feel that that's 2 ripples. That's 2 separate pieces of metal then to give this lip to stop these from going in. So this is 1100 milliliters, so 1.1. Holding that. Oh Jesus, you know, I love this. I feel like a Boy Scout again. Okay, so let's have a look. This is 400 ml, 700 ml. The lid, let's see if the lid fits in. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's a very good sign. Okay, so we've got these little clips here on either side. I'm just going to put the stats up here in the picture, and then you can have a look at all the sizes and the weights. I think I recall it being 576 grams, the whole thing. I wonder if that includes the pouch. I'll have to find it. Oh, these are very tight. For this. There. Okay. Yeah, I can already see. I'll have a use for that. Oh, wrong way around. Right. Yeah. You could be doing your tea over the fire with that. You could just have that so light hanging from a stick. You even need a tripod with that. Just put a little stick in. Yeah. Very easy to use like that. You get the lid on then, because water or anything you're boiling boils a lot faster with a lid on. Oh yeah. Yeah. So that's as I say a lot of times, I feel like I'm 10. I can't wait to get and use this. In the outdoors. I'm looking at some tactical food because I want a bit more height than I did last year. So yeah, my goodness, it's even cooler than I was hoping for. You know, and then I looked at a few reviews and all, but none of it does it justice. None of the reviews, and this probably won't do it justice, getting it into your hand. Yeah, look at this. Alright. Right there, good strong. Yeah, I can easily attach this onto the back of me, and it's so light it's not going to fall off. Even put an anchor on it just to be sure. There's a hoop there. Yeah, so even the bag I can see is useful, and some well thought out bits on it, like them. And then there's other molly straps there you can attach something on, and then on the front. And then I reckon my alcohol stove will fit in there. My alcohol stove and the little stand will fit in there, and that'll be it. It'll be an ultra light cooking kit and water carrier as well. So let's have a look. See it all going back in. Up there, and then put it back in. That nestles in quite nicely. Pop it back in the bag. Oh my god, I am getting so excited about this. I just can't wait to get out and use this. Yeah. So that's the first looker. It's a great little camping toy, isn't it? It excites me. I sent an email to the people who own this company, and blah blah, you know, the usual, and would just like to send me stuff that I can raffle to me subscribers and badge members. So she got back to me, which I send a fair few out, and maybe half gets back, and half of them say no, and then half of them say yeah. So I'll keep plugging away. But yeah, she got back and said yeah, and she's going to talk to her bosses anyway and get back to me and so on. So I might have something belonging to the Ida Sangro range to raffle for all you lucky people. So look, I hope you like that first look. I'm impressed with it. I am, you know, I'm easily impressed. You know, give me a tarp and some paracord, and I can make something that I'd be easily impressed in, you know. But really, that's a great thing. So look, thanks everybody for watching. I'm going to actually bring it outside now and take some photographs of it. The light is good, and then I'm going to bring it back and wash it and soak it in washing up liquid and rinse it off and dry it off, and look forward to using it. Okay, so bye bye everybody. Thanks for watching. Slán Leat. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye bye.